In reference to the EPG system with your own particular technological advancement, what do you feel about the EPG system?
Well, it's clearly the best way to generate electricity that's ever been developed. And what it does is overcome a fundamental physical problem of all magnetic generators, with the exception of one other one which is impractical in our opinion. And that is something called Lenz's law that says that for every action electrically you really have to overcome, you have to fight the system. Right? And what you've done is find a way to take advantage of that energy and push it so that what's happening is that all the work that's going in is doing useful work instead of fighting the opposing forces.
Right.
And that's been one of the things that has driven everyone in electrical engineering crazy for 100 years. And it's been astounding that the other system which has been developed to do that has turned out so far to be a system that doesn't seem to have much practicality. It produces very low voltage and enormous currents. And so we're going to have huge amounts of waste heat and a lot of mechanical motion. Heavy mechanical pieces. You've done it with light, simple, elegant technology, making the gas be the key to the whole thing, magnetizing the gas in a way that I know a lot of scientists would have said would never happen.
Well, thank you very much for your comments. We certainly appreciate you coming here today and going through the seminars for us.
Well, I wish you the best of luck and can tell you we're going to do everything we can to help.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Merch updates are ready. If you want to look good in the H2 hot rodding scene, and if you would like to pick up some hydrogen hot rodding merch, now is your chance. Please head over to our hydrogen hot rod shop. The link is in the description. Thanks. Alternatively, you can send me an email or join me on WhatsApp chat. The details are in the description. Let me know which things you like and what sizes you want. Network of home builders is growing very fast. Whether it's a roadster, supercar, or a yacht build, or maybe even an industrial power gas energy project. I'm here to assist and guide you. Please head over to the Consult with Dan link in the description, book a discussion for 10 to 30 minutes, and I will save you decades